One of the things that makes Totality Medispa very unique is that we've mastered two of the hardest injection techniques, which is natural looking lip fillers and under eyes. The issue with lip fillers is that, they say that lip filler tends to migrate above the lip. Our lip filler will never migrate, and we guarantee that. Lip filler placed correctly doesn't ever migrate above the lip. It's all incorrect injection techniques, and this is a very common thing that we see. I'd say about a third of our practice is actually correcting other people's work. So lip fillers we've absolutely mastered. The other filler is the under eye filler. Under eye filler is incredibly difficult technique, and we have really mastered that. Most people, what they do is they use a cannula. A cannula is a blunt tip needle. So put a little hole here and then you go up with this cannula. People think it's a safer way to inject under eye filler, but truly it's not. The best technique is actually what we use, and it's sharp technique, and we have our own special technique that we use. What you'll typically see, we call it the blue sausage. It's gonna be a line here, and you're gonna have this kind of blue hue. It's called the Tyndall effect. When filler is placed too superficially, too close to the skin, you're gonna see it as like a blue hue. With our under eye filler, we place it deep down on bone, and you never get that Tyndall effect. You'll never get that blue sausage. And more importantly, you'll never get what's called malar edema, which is a swelling from the blockage of the ducts caused by inappropriately placed under eye filler. So most places actually stop even doing under eye filler because their results were so poor, and they actually suggest never even getting under eye filler, but that's not what we suggest. We suggest getting appropriately placed under eye filler.